Monitor lizards are a diverse group of reptiles belonging to the family Varanidae. There are approximately 80 recognized species of monitor lizards, and they are found in a wide range of habitats across Africa, Asia, and Australia. Here's an overview of the life of monitor lizards. 1. Size and physical characteristics. Monitor lizards exhibit a wide range of sizes, from relatively small species, such as the Timor monitor, to large and robust species, such as the Komodo dragon. They typically have elongated bodies, powerful limbs, long tails, and distinct, forked tongues. 2. Habitat diversity. Monitor lizards are adaptable to various habitats, including rainforests, savannas, deserts, and mangrove swamps. Their ability to thrive in diverse environments contributes to their widespread distribution. 3. Diet and feeding habits. Monitor lizards are carnivorous and opportunistic feeders. Their diet includes a variety of prey, such as insects, small mammals, birds, eggs, and occasionally carrion. Larger species, like the Komodo dragon, may even prey on deer and other large animals. 4. Hunting and foraging. Monitor lizards are active hunters and foragers. They use their keen sense of smell to locate prey, and their strong limbs and sharp claws assist in digging for eggs or capturing fast-moving prey. 5. Powerful jaws and teeth. Monitor lizards have powerful jaws and sharp teeth. They use their strong bite to crush the skulls or shells of their prey. Some species, like the Komodo dragon, have venomous saliva that aids in subduing their prey. 6. Basking behavior. Monitor lizards are ectothermic, relying on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. Basking in the sun is a common behavior for monitor lizards, helping them reach optimal body temperatures for various physiological processes. 7. Territoriality and home range. Monitor lizards can be territorial, especially during the breeding season. They establish and defend home ranges that include areas with suitable basking sites, hiding spots, and access to food. 8. Reproduction. Monitor lizards reproduce through internal fertilization. Mating rituals involve courtship displays, and copulation typically occurs on land. Females lay eggs in nests, which they dig in the ground, and they may guard the nest during the incubation period. 9. Nesting and incubation. Monitor lizard nests are usually dug in soil or sand, and the female lays a clutch of eggs. After laying the eggs, the female covers the nest to protect it. The incubation period varies among species but generally lasts several weeks. 10. Parental care. While monitor lizards are not known for extensive parental care, some species exhibit behaviors such as guarding the nest or eggs. Once the eggs hatch, the young monitor lizards are left to fend for themselves. 11. Lifespan. The lifespan of monitor lizards varies among species. In captivity, some monitor lizards can live for several decades, while in the wild, factors such as predation, environmental conditions, and food availability influence their lifespan. 12. Arboreal and terrestrial species. Monitor lizards can be either arboreal, tree-dwelling, or terrestrial, ground-dwelling. Arboreal species, such as the green tree monitor, are adapted to life in trees and have prehensile tails for climbing. 13. Adaptations for swimming. Some monitor lizard species, like the water monitor, are excellent swimmers. They have streamlined bodies, long tails, and powerful limbs that allow them to move efficiently in aquatic environments. 14. Intelligence. Monitor lizards are considered relatively intelligent among reptiles. They exhibit problem-solving abilities, can learn from their environment, and some species even show signs of play behavior. 15. Threats and conservation. Monitor lizards face threats from habitat loss, hunting for their skins, and the pet trade. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their natural habitats, regulating trade, and raising awareness about the importance of these reptiles in ecosystems. 16. Communication. Monitor lizards communicate through various means, including body language, vocalizations, and chemical signals. Hissing, tail whipping, and head bobbing are common forms of communication used in different contexts. 17. Commensalism and urban habitats. Some monitor lizard species have adapted to urban environments, taking advantage of human-made structures for shelter and food sources. They may even become commensal with humans, coexisting in urban areas without causing harm. 18. Defense mechanisms. Monitor lizards have several defense mechanisms. When threatened, they may puff up their bodies, hiss, lash their tails, or play dead. Some species, like the Komodo dragon, have a potent bite and may use venom to subdue prey. 19. Conservation status. The conservation status of monitor lizard species varies. While some species are abundant and not currently at risk, others, especially larger species like the Komodo dragon, are considered vulnerable or endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. 20. Cultural significance. In various cultures, monitor lizards hold cultural significance. They are sometimes featured in folklore, myths, or traditional medicine. Understanding cultural perceptions is important for conservation efforts involving these reptiles. 21. Thermal sensing. Monitor lizards possess specialized sensory organs called L'Oreal pits, located on their snouts. These pits allow them to detect infrared radiation, helping in thermal sensing and locating warm-blooded prey, even in darkness. 22. Coprophagy. Some monitor lizard species exhibit coprophagy, the consumption of feces. This behavior is thought to serve various purposes, including nutrient absorption and aiding in the digestion process. 23. Feeding adaptations. Monitor lizards have versatile feeding adaptations. Their diet can include a wide range of food items, and they are known for their ability to eat large prey items, facilitated by their powerful jaws and sharp teeth. 24. Tail autotomy. Like many other lizard species, some monitors can undergo autotomy, the ability to voluntarily shed their tails as a defense mechanism. The detached tail may continue to wriggle, distracting a potential predator while the lizard escapes. 25. Social behavior. While many monitor lizard species are generally solitary, some exhibit social behaviors, especially during mating season. Courtship rituals and displays may involve body movements, head bobbing, or vocalizations. 26. Hibernation and estivation. In colder climates, some monitor lizard species may hibernate to conserve energy during the winter months. In contrast, in hot and arid regions, estivation, a state of torpor to survive extreme heat and drought, may occur. 27. Environmental adaptations. Monitor lizards are highly adaptable to different environments. Species like the Nile monitor can tolerate brackish water, while others, like the savanna monitor, thrive in dry, arid habitats. 28. Bacterial symbiosis. The saliva of Komodo dragons, the largest monitor lizard species, contains bacteria that aid in breaking down and digesting their prey. This bacterial symbiosis is thought to play a crucial role in their feeding ecology. 29. Long-distance movements. Some monitor lizard species are capable of covering significant distances in search of food, mates, or suitable habitats. Understanding their movement patterns is essential for effective conservation planning. 30. Olfactory communication. Monitor lizards use their sense of smell for communication. They may deposit scent markings using glands on their cloaca, leaving chemical cues to communicate with other individuals about territory boundaries or reproductive status. 31. Hybridization. Hybridization can occur between different species of monitor lizards, especially in regions where their ranges overlap. The study of hybridization provides insights into the evolutionary relationships and genetic diversity of these reptiles. 32 endangered species. Some monitor lizard species, including the Komodo dragon, Varanus komodoensis, are listed as endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and reduced prey availability. Conservation efforts aim to protect their habitats and regulate human interactions. 33 vocalizations. Monitor lizards can produce a variety of vocalizations, including hissing, growling, and sometimes even screaming. These vocalizations serve various purposes, such as communication with conspecifics or deterring potential threats. 34 ecological role as apex predators. Larger monitor lizard species, like the Komodo dragon, serve as apex predators in their ecosystems. Their role in regulating prey populations contributes to the overall health and balance of the ecosystem. 35 threats from the pet trade. Some monitor lizard species are collected for the pet trade, leading to concerns about overharvesting and illegal trade. Sustainable management practices and regulations are essential to address these threats. 36 limb autotomy. In addition to tail autotomy, some monitor lizard species can undergo limb autotomy, shedding their limbs as a defense mechanism. This adaptation allows them to escape from predators and potentially regenerate lost limbs. 37 cognition and problem solving. Monitor lizards, especially larger species, demonstrate cognitive abilities and problem-solving skills. They can learn to navigate complex environments and exhibit behaviors indicative of advanced cognitive functions. 38 conservation breeding programs. Conservation breeding programs for endangered monitor lizard species aim to maintain genetic diversity and provide individuals for potential reintroduction into the wild. These programs contribute to the conservation of threatened populations. 39 impact on insect populations. Monitor lizards, with their insectivorous diet, play a role in controlling insect populations. Their predation on insects contributes to maintaining ecological balance in the ecosystems they inhabit. 40 zoo and captive breeding. Many monitor lizard species are kept in zoos and captive breeding programs worldwide. These facilities contribute to public education, research, and conservation initiatives, helping raise awareness about the importance of these reptiles. 41 habitat utilization. Monitor lizards are known for their ability to utilize a variety of habitats within their range. They can be found in forests, grasslands, deserts, and even urban areas, showcasing their adaptability to different environments. 42 impact on small vertebrates. The predatory nature of monitor lizards can influence the populations of small vertebrates in their ecosystems. Their role as predators helps regulate the numbers of rodents, birds, and other small animals. 43 role in seed dispersal. Some monitor lizards may unintentionally contribute to seed dispersal. Seeds from fruits consumed by the lizards can be transported to new locations, potentially aiding in the spread of plant species. 44 cultural symbolism. In some cultures, monitor lizards hold symbolic significance. They may be revered as symbols of strength, fertility, or protection. Understanding cultural beliefs is important for conservation efforts involving these reptiles. 45 thermal regulation strategies. Monitor lizards employ various strategies for thermal regulation. In addition to basking, they may seek shade or use burrows to escape extreme temperatures, demonstrating their ability to adapt to different thermal conditions. 46 population dynamics. The population dynamics of monitor lizards can be influenced by factors such as food availability, predation, and environmental conditions. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for effective conservation and management. 47 Role in ecosystem engineering. Larger monitor lizard species, particularly those with burrowing habits, can contribute to ecosystem engineering. Their burrows may provide shelter for other species, influencing the structure of the habitat. 48 Camouflage and coloration. Many monitor lizard species exhibit effective camouflage, blending into their surroundings to avoid predators or aid in stalking prey. Some species also display vibrant coloration, possibly for communication or mating purposes. 49 Sensory adaptations. Monitor lizards have well-developed sensory adaptations. Their keen sense of smell helps them locate prey, and their acute vision allows them to detect movement from a distance. These adaptations contribute to their success as predators. 50 Geological distribution patterns. The geological distribution of monitor lizard species is influenced by factors such as land formations, climate, and vegetation types. Studying these distribution patterns contributes to our understanding of their evolutionary history. 51 Anti-predator behaviors. Monitor lizards may exhibit various anti-predator behaviors when confronted by potential threats. These behaviors can include hissing, bluffing, and defensive postures to deter predators. 52 Ovoviviparity. Some monitor lizard species, such as the savanna monitor, are ovoviviparous, meaning they give birth to live young. The eggs develop internally, and the females give birth to fully formed offspring. 53 Human monitor lizard conflicts. In certain regions, human monitor lizard conflicts may arise due to competition for resources or concerns about potential harm. Effective management strategies are necessary to minimize conflicts and promote coexistence. 54 Conservation genetics. Conservation genetics studies help assess the genetic diversity, population structure, and connectivity among different monitor lizard populations. This information is valuable for developing conservation strategies that maintain genetic health. 55 Endoparasites and health. Monitor lizards can harbor endoparasites, such as internal worms. Monitoring their health and understanding parasite loads contribute to our knowledge of their overall well-being and may inform conservation practices. 56 Thermal inertia and burrow use. The use of burrows by monitor lizards provides thermal inertia, allowing them to escape extreme temperature fluctuations. Burrows serve as refuges during periods of heat or cold, contributing to their survival in challenging environments. 57 Scavenging behavior. Monitor lizards, particularly larger species like the Komodo dragon, are known for scavenging. They may feed on carrion, utilizing their powerful jaws and bacteria-laden saliva to consume decaying flesh. 58 Body size and ecology. Body size plays a crucial role in the ecology of monitor lizards. Larger species may have different ecological roles compared to smaller species, influencing their diets, habitats, and interactions within ecosystems. 59 Climate adaptations. Monitor lizards are adapted to various climates, from the arid deserts to humid rainforests. Their physiological and behavioral adaptations allow them to thrive in diverse environmental conditions. 60 Conservation challenges. Conservation challenges for monitor lizards include habitat destruction, illegal trade, and persecution due to human-wildlife conflicts. Addressing these challenges requires interdisciplinary efforts and community involvement. 61 Vocal communication. While not all monitor lizards are vocal, some species use vocalizations for communication. These vocalizations can serve various purposes, including signaling territory boundaries, attracting mates, or expressing distress. 62 Climbing abilities. Arboreal monitor lizard species, such as the green tree monitor, are adept climbers. They use their strong limbs, sharp claws, and prehensile tails to navigate through trees and find prey or escape predators. 63. Intraspecific competition. In areas with high monitor lizard populations, intraspecific competition between individuals of the same species, can occur. This competition may influence aspects like territory size, access to mates, and overall population dynamics. 64. Feeding ecology in different habitats. Monitor lizards showcase diverse feeding ecologies based on their habitats.